guys, welcome back to my lesson number 4 of this particular module of creating a website for yourself. If you didn't watch any of the videos up till now, so go and watch it. There are the very basic steps explained to develop any website, that too for free. So why not to go and watch the videos? Okay, so now moving forward to the setting session of your website. If you have watched my first video, then you must be aware about where's the settings session on our WP dashboard, WordPress dashboard. Okay, so let's move ourselves to our dashboard. So this is our dashboard and here's the option for settings. Okay, so the very basic setting session for you is, let's see. Okay, so here's the site title. My domain name is my name, my own name. So here's what, see now. Okay, now it's perfect. Okay, so here's what the site title whenever anyone coming to your website. So this is your site title which will appear to them, and this is the tagline. Okay, here you can edit your tagline. Like I'll give a tagline: learn most, spread most. I'll give this tagline as my website. Okay, so here's my URL of website. Here's again my URL. Okay, and here's my email which I use for developing, which is my dashboard recovery mail. Okay, anyone can register on my website. So if you want, you can click, either you can't. Okay, so default person coming on my website and registering themselves would be assigning the role. So this is the something which you can assign them. I want default user as subscriber to my channel, as subscriber to my website. Okay, so if wherever you are, you can get your site language. Okay, if you want your dashboard to be in Hindi or Marathi or any damn thing, so you can change it via here. Okay, you can also create your website according to your country UTC time. Okay, so for Indian it is UTC -5 -30 for Indians. Okay, and your date format on your website would be available, the time format of your website, and the week start. Okay, you can create it via here. Moving on to media files. So what's here? You can assign a size to your media via here. You can assign a height also, you can maximum width also, maximum height to your files, etc. Okay, so in this video I have explained you very basic settings which you should make on your website and proceed with your website development process. If you still have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section, and I'm always here to help you. Okay, thank you.